You rappers get ignored, me I'm who they checking for.
Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to do an installation of laptop 3-in-1 protection kit. It comes with a screen protector, a keyboard skin and a transparent laptop sticker for 15.6 inches laptop. Now let's quickly do an unboxing of it. Here you can see it comes with a laptop screen guard and a transparent laptop sticker. Last but not the least, a keyboard protector. Let's begin the installation of Screenguard on the screen of my laptop. Place the laptop on the table by using a newspaper to prevent any scratches on the body of laptop and clean the screen of the laptop using a cotton cover. Here you can see there are two masks. Peel the mask 1 before application and peel the mask 2 after application of Screenguard to your laptop. Peel the mask 1 of Screenguard and apply it on laptop screen from the left side of your laptop. Take the help of your laptop frame near the screen guard to apply screen guard straight on the screen. After aligning screen guard straight, peel the mask 1 and this is done. It's very easy friends. Peel the mask 1 and screen guard will be applied straight automatically as you can see here. After that, take a debit card and rub it over the screen guard to remove air bubbles left on your screen. Here you can see all the air bubbles are removed from the screen, and peel off the mask too after application of screen and removing air bubbles from it. Here it is, the screen guard is applied successfully to the laptop. Now let's apply transparent back skin to laptop. Clean the body of your laptop with cotton cloth and place the laptop on table as I am doing here. Cut the skin as per the dimensions of your laptop with the help of blade. Operate the blade carefully to prevent any scratches on your laptop. As you can see, I have cut the skin perfectly as per the dimensions. Now peel off the cover and apply this skin on your laptop from the left side as I am doing here. Take the help of your laptop frame to align the skin straight on your laptop. Apply the skin and peel the back cover as I am doing here. If you found that the skin is not applied perfectly, remove it and apply it again, and apply a gentle pressure from your hands to remove any air bubbles, and that's all. The skin installation is done. Cut the corners with the help of the blade and center portion also with the help of the blade so that the logo looks beautiful. The 3-in-1 protection kit also has a keyboard protection skin, and it is a transparent and a simple one, and it is not well designed, so I don't recommend it. I didn't like this skin. I have another skin which I have ordered from Amazon.in, and this looks very good in a red color. You can order it from Amazon.in. Link is given in the description for protection kit as well as the keyboard skin. So thanks for watching this video friends. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel Amir Khan HD. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.